Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this is coming from the I Like Hair company. That's right, me and I Like Hair have teamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. And this is actually one of their units, another unit that I've got for them. This is their deep curly, well, honestly, I'm going to say deep curly. This is their deep curly 14-inch 4x4 unit. So this is what the unit looks like. It has two combs in the front, a comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it has an elastic band, and it has that 4x4 closure. So this one was already done is a middle part, so I'm going to keep it as such. I've never really wore 14-inch curly hair as a middle part, so this is actually going to be something different for me also. But I am bringing you guys this so I can show you guys how I put this unit on. This is actually one of their glueless wigs. So we're just going to cut that lace off like so. And it's really simple, nothing crazy. The one thing I love about I Like Hair, this is my second unit from them. The one thing I love about them is how can I put this? Is the lace on their wigs is so sheer and so believable. So I did not pluck this lace. It actually comes like this. I might do a define pluck. I don't know, may not. But anywho, we're gonna put our wig on. So I did the ball cap method because I do have other units to wear. And so I just did my typical ball cap method, which will be in the description box below of if you don't know how to do it. And then I just put my Fit Me 330 Fit Me Plus powder on there, and I made it extra bald. So we're gonna take it. I've adjusted my straps, and now we're gonna put our unit on like so, and flip this over. And now we're going to adjust where this is going to go a little bit better. Get it fit. There we go. All right. I think we're good. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And it's just your typical middle part unit with no issues, no ifs, ands, no buts, no coconuts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Very cute, very simple. We're gonna see if we can jazz this up just a little bit extra. So what we're gonna do is take our olive oil, Fix It Hold, Super Hold spray. And what you can do is actually lift it to hit it on that lace and then drop it down like so. Bam, and drop it down. Very cute, very natural. I actually love this unit. Like I said, I wasn't always a fan of middle part with curly hair, but now I'm starting to think I can be a little bit of a fan. So yeah, I kind of like this. So probably what I'll do is just make some baby hair off camera, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I think it came out really, really cute. I love it. I Like Hair, so definitely hit them up. Also, for my Tame Raiders out there, we also have a coupon code, you guys. So make sure you hit right here. This is the coupon code. Make sure you put your coupon code during checkout. And of course, as always, this link will be down in the description box, so that way you guys can cop this unit also. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.